So, can you tell us what's going on today?
Well, we're here in Astoria, a great neighborhood in New York City, and today we are here celebrating our 39th Transform Store grand opening. So this is a big day for us. I believe this is our 6th store in New York City that we've transformed, and it has just been an amazing experience for us to be able to help our customers enjoy our products, get better service, and really see what Time Warner Cable is all about, what's new. The stores themselves are all designed, obviously, with very high-tech demonstrations that allow our customers to touch and feel our products and services, and really understand how they can better use them, so when they get home they feel more comfortable with them. And really that's what it's about. We're really focused on providing better customer service to our customers, and I think that this store and all of our stores obviously are a great centerpiece for that type of activity.
Great, and so obviously today's the grand opening and it's a really big deal. What types of things are going to go on today?
Well, we have some really cool things going on today. Our partners at Reality obviously have come to us with some great ideas around using a green screen to help us promote unlimited calling to Europe. We have backgrounds all around the world so customers can understand that they can call all around the world, 34 countries, including all of Europe, as part of their phone plan. In addition, we also have a very cool digital spin wheel with prizes that our customers can come up and interact with. And obviously our demo bar is highlighting all of our newest, coolest products and services.
Can you tell us what's next for Time Warner Cable? Do you have any more plans in New York City or any other prominent stores you can tell us about?
Well, just because we're done with this one and for this year, this makes, I think, our 10th grand opening this year. I know it's been a very busy year. We actually are in the process of opening up 4 more before February. So we'll do grand openings, in January and February in Kentucky, North Carolina, and upstate New York, Syracuse neighborhood. And then we are actually also transforming 8 other stores in LA at the same time. We have 2 stores that we're working on in New York City to add to our 12 that we have now. One at George Washington Bridge and another in the NYU neighborhood on Broadway. So I think that'll be very cool, especially to provide, align Time Warner Cable as a hip, cool brand to students in that area. And we hope to have that store open before kids go back to school this fall.
Cindy, we love working with you guys and with you in particular. Can you just tell us a little bit about what it's like working with Reality?
Sure thing. So I am very honored and happy to be working with Reality. Honestly, they've been a partner with us since the moment we decided to take on this store transformation project, so it's been about 3.5 years now for us. The possibility of having a network that is going to be able to connect all of our transformed stores onto one cohesive site so that we can manage the content in and out real time is mind-blowing to me, and just amazing that we're able to kind of show, I think, best in class across the industry for the cable stores. And it's something that when people come and visit the stores, they look at it and we may take it for granted, but they're blown away, and I am as well. And Reality obviously does a great job as a partner of telling us, not always yesing us, but actually trying to prompt us to do better or saying this isn't working, which is important as well. We love a proactive partner. We love people that are bringing ideas to us. We love fresh thinking. And in addition to awesome customer service in and out every day, I think it's great to have a partner that provides that for us.